All right, let's do this best stocks in the market list with Josh Brown. A new name, I said. It was added on August 12th. So a week ago, yeah. Insmed, INSM. Why?
Yeah. Well, so I am not recommending that people buy this right this second, but it's a really great example of a huge winner that sneaks up on you. I only have 3 biotech names on my best stocks list right now. It's just been a horrible sector, but the sector is starting to turn the corner, and this is really one of the first to make a huge move. It's up about 95% over the last 3 months. The name that we did talk about, Judge, that has worked out for viewers of the show is Alnylam, ALNY. It's up 50% since the day we talked about it here on the air. And that stock still looks fantastic. But these are like vertical moves. The one that I want to focus on is the third, Gilead. We talked about the stock once already. This is a giant in HIV treatment and HIV prevention. They had an excellent earnings call, which for people that follow the pharmaceutical space will tell you that's pretty rare these days. But they are the world leader in HIV. They announced huge gross margin improvement. The pipeline looks great. They have a new drug on the market that they said scripts were being written within hours of approval. And as you can see, yeah, the stock is up slightly from where we talked about it, but it's still hovering just below the prior high. I think 120 when it breaks is a really nice trigger. Traders can use 110 for risk management. Investors, I would stick with a simple 200-day moving average, currently about 102. This stock has been above its 200-day for 12 straight months. Even during the worst of the market in April, it never even got close. I think this name is under accumulation. So of the 3, we missed Insmed. Alnylam already worked out. I think Gilead has the potential to be next. And I'm not in the trade personally yet, but that could change.
Okay, Liz, what about biotech here? I mean, that is one of the areas that has gotten a rate cut hope boost lately.
Yeah, well, when you think about healthcare as a sector in general, and full disclosure, I used healthcare as my final trade last time I was here, but think about the sector in general. You've got pharma and biotech that serve as the growth engines in that sector. So if you're going to see any rotation out of some of the really beloved growth names, I think investors still need and want growth. So they're going to look for other opportunities. That's why I like software still. And I think biotech can probably benefit from that too. Healthcare has just been so unloved. And I think people are hesitant to get into the sector at all, thinking it's down for a reason, but it can't really go much further down from here. It's in the first percentile versus the S&P valuations over a long-term period. Of course, everything can fall a little bit further, but it's pretty far down right now.